Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kat. So please make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like this video, share if you can. So in today's video I'm gonna be sugar waxing my underarms. So on the previous video I did do like an unboxing video and I told you guys about the sugar paste called wax that I bought. This is how it looks like. Yeah, so today is the day that we're gonna be putting this to trial. So we're gonna be trying if it works or if it doesn't, guys. There's gonna be a lot of TMI in this video. I didn't shave my under armpits for like a month. Like my hair takes forever to grow, so I didn't shave for a month so that I can get ready for this video. They basically saying the hair must be 0.3 inches, that is 5 to 6 milliliter for this to be effective. So I don't know if I should go ahead and read the instruction or I should put the instruction on the screen as I'm editing, but yeah. The hair must be at least 0.3 inches or 5 to 6 milliliter long. Avoid visiting tanning booth, pool, sauna a day before the procedure. Okay, I didn't go there. Always use neutral gloves. I think those are like the small finger gloves. Thoroughly clean and disinfect the area of hair removal. Sprinkle it with some dry powder if needed. They did the kit did come with a powder. Where is it? Yeah, so the kit did come with the powder. So this is the powder that I'm going to be using. Apply some sugar paste on the area you're removing hair from. Pull the skin with your free hand. I can't scream. With a quick movement, tear the paste according to the hair growth and along the skin surface. You can use the same piece of sugar wax paste until it starts sticking to your hands. That's gross. 100% organic. So they're saying we should warm it using a candle warmer. I don't have it. This is the hair that I've been trying to grow. Guys, don't mind my t-shirt. Yo guys, this video is just a mess. I don't know. So I'm just gonna put it on microwave for like 5 seconds or 3, but I'm not gonna put it for a long time because look at how it looks like. It's so thick, guys. It's so super thick. So I think I'm gonna put it on the microwave for like 5 to 10 seconds, but I have to be careful because I don't want it to be too runny too. But right now I feel like it's super thick, so I'm gonna be back in 2 minutes. So I'm back, guys. I just warmed it and this is how it looks like. Yeah, it's so thick but not watery, but not too thick too. I feel like I think this is perfect. Well, this is how the powder comes. Like it has this petty thing, it has this sponge that you can use to pet in the powder. Yeah, I feel like this is so cute. The way I'm applying powder, these are the stuff that you're gonna use to pull off the wax. Guys, I gotta go scream. Oh, so there goes nothing. 1, 2, 3. Guys, it works. It works, guys. It's not even that painful. Guys, it's not painful. Not at all. You guys have no idea. Guys, you have no idea. One, two, three. Guys, gotta scream. So this is how it looked like so far. I'm just gonna put it to remove the extra hair. What if I drop this? Does it work? One, two. Guys, you guys have no idea. It's so fun. I'm gonna do my bikini area. One, two. This one was painful, guys, but not bad. Nothing I can't handle. One, two, three. One, two, three. Oh wow. Guys, I haven't showered yet, but this is how my armpits look like. I feel like they are so dark, y'all. They are so dark. I need to do something about it. I think I'm gonna need what do you call it? I think maybe they are dark because I didn't shave them for a long time because I was waiting for this video. I don't know, or maybe because I gained weight. Because wow, I've never seen them dark like this. But I think I'm gonna try to scrub them and exfoliate them more. But you guys can see most for I'm so clean. Get clean, sham. Get clean. Now I need to take this to my bikini area. So guys, this is gonna be the end of this video. I just want to say I'm super duper happy about this whole experience because wow, wow, guys, like, it's not even painful. I don't know if I'm pain tolerant, but it's not even that painful. Listen, it's not painful. You can do it by yourself, and you know what, I'm gonna try it in my bikini area, and if it really works, I'm gonna be waxing every other week. Like, what do you mean? What do you mean? Because shaving is actually not an option. So girls, if you're really not pain tolerant and you can't take the Brazilian wax, this is the option for you. I'm gonna leave the name. And for those of you guys who are in China, you can actually hit me on WeChat. I'll give you the link to purchasing this. If you're not in China, then you can definitely get this on Amazon. I'll leave the name exactly. The name is, this is the name, guys. So one thing, you don't have to buy any other because the consistencies are different and some are really not 100% organic. So yeah, this one is the one that I'm using and I am loving it. So definitely gonna buy more, use more. So what's gonna happen is I'm gonna go and shower and exfoliate and scrub. This is the end of the video, guys. Make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, like this video, share if you can.